To share private notebooks via link in NotebookLM, start by opening NotebookLM and signing in with your Google account. Once you are on the homepage dashboard, locate the notebook you want to share. Private notebooks are not publicly visible, so you must manually enable sharing. Next, click the Share button or open the three-dot More Options menu next to the notebook title. This will open the Sharing Settings panel, where you can manage access for that specific notebook. Inside the sharing settings, review the current access level. By default, it will be set to Restricted or Private, meaning only your account can view it. To share via link, look for an option that allows link-based access and change it to anyone with a link, if your account supports it. After enabling link sharing, set the permission level. For most use cases, view-only access is recommended so others can read the content without editing it. Once the settings are configured, click Copy Link to generate a shareable URL. You can now send this link to anyone you want to share the notebook with. They will be able to open it directly through the link, depending on the access level you selected. Before sharing widely, it is important to test the link in an incognito or private browser window. This confirms that the notebook is accessible without your Google account and ensures permissions are correctly applied. If the notebook does not open externally, or you cannot find the link sharing option, your Google Workspace or school account may have restrictions in place. Many organizations limit external sharing for security and compliance reasons. In that case, you will need to contact your Google Workspace administrator to request permission for external sharing or link-based access. And that's how you share private notebooks via link in NotebookLM. Open sharing settings, enable link access if available, set view-only permissions, copy the link, and share it securely while maintaining control over access.